team, Venus Flores. Libero, number 4, Irish Dignadice. Head coach, Mr. Shane Alagal.
Lapit na po musimulan ng ating aksyon from the San Juan Arena in San Juan City. Battle of the Undefeated. Ito pong Lady Aguilas from Davao 2-0. And of course, the NU Lady Bulldogs 4-0. At naninibago pa yata tayo dito kay Attorney G. Pero again, you've gone up against NU so many times. Ganong kabigat ang pagkawala ni Jaja in this game?
Siyempre, kung nandito siya, sure ball na, diba, na merong atake kahit nasa likod na si Dindin. Pero, masasabi ko naman si Dadang, siya naman yung first middle attacker before Jaja came into the team. So so I think kailangan lang nila mag-gel up again with the different people inside.
Sareta serving first here for the Davao Lady Aguilas. Here's Mina Aganon trying to get it across, and we talked about Dignadice immediately with a good dig, and Flores hindi niya may tatawid. Unang puntos, papupunta rin sa inyo. Medyo pareho halos uniforme ng dalawa. So the first point belonging to the Lady Bulldogs, and here's Ivy Perez. Alam naman natin maya-maya, Z. Ito si Ivy Perez, mauupo, papasok na yung veteranan si Ruby De Leon.
Well, usually the NU Bulldogs starts with, diba, Ivy Perez.
Yes.
Pero tingnan natin kung makakayanan naman magtuloy-tuloy na si Ivy na yung mag-set for the team.
And here is Santiago getting it across. Raterta, yung kitikiti nila setter. And there is Venus Flores with a miss-hit na pumasok para sa Lady Aguilas. And it is tied at 1 right now. At yun sinasabi ko sa iyo, si Raterta has so many options dito para sa kupunan ng Davao Lady Aguilas. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Serving now, ito namang si Tapik para sa Lady Aguilas. The push by Dindin almost works. Sa kabila naman, Flores again. And there will be a net violation kontra kay Dindin.
Ayun nga yung nasabi mo kanina, Sir Noel. The setter.
Matanda tayo dito.
Yung setter ng Davao always has 4 people with double digits after the game. So makikita natin na evenly distributed yung mga sets nila.
Crossing violation naman ang mangyayari dito. May got a double touch kontra kay Ivy Perez. So medyo itong serve ng Davao na napansin natin in the first 2 games, hindi masyadong kargado. Ngayon meron ng konting laman, ha?
Well, yun nga. Service is always the first line of offense. So as much as possible, kailangan talagang kargahan yung service.
Well, you should know. You're the queen of the jump serve. And Dignadice trying to send it somewhere. Pero nandun naman si Ordas. Yan na naman yung floor defense ng Davao. Pero natulak naman ni Mina Aganon yung puntos. Again, simula pa lang, nakikita natin na medyo scrappy na floor defense dito ng Lady Aguilas.
I think naninibago lang sila na...
You can see there yung binuhay na muntika na kung wala na si Aganon doon. That would have gone on a long time. Pero again, comment on the floor defense here. So we thank our friends from Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's V-League. Impressive, di ba, so far?
Yeah. Nakakasabay naman sila sa NU. I think naninibago lang nga sila na I think it's their first time going up against NU. Tapos syempre medyo star-studded sila, di ba? They're known nationwide, so parang nakakapanibago na sila yung kalaban.
Well, they are a 2-time Final Four participant. Back-to-back in the UAAP. And here's the reigning UAAP best spiker who's known for her serve pero not that time. Service error para dito kay Dindin Santiago. So ngayon si Venus Flores coming off, I believe, a 17 or 18 point performance in the win. 5-set variety kontra sa kupunan ng
short
professional. Yep, short serve. Sobrang short naman na nangyari ito. So palitan ng service errors dito. Now Mina Aganon who will be back. At eto na naman, pag may laban ng NU talaga may kailangan tambol,
They're always present.
Yes.
Yan ang nasasabi ko.
Kasi lakas ng energy ng mga players, Dignadice on the reception. Raterta sending it backwards. And that is Oliveros with the miss. Hit, pero may tatawid pa rin yan. Once again, Raterta, this time on the combination to Agton who scores. So Mitch Agton with her first point of the game. Agton also the leading scorer kontra naman sa FEUs. We take a look at it again, Z. sa open, medyo may kahabaan din tong si Agton, ano?
Ayun na nga yung sinasabi natin. Paano mafe-fill-in ni Dadang yung spot ni Jaja? Well, we can see sa blocking, kailangan niya mag-step up.
Here's Perez now, sending it to the other side to Myla Pablo. Ibinalik naman ni Dindin. Nakala niya patay na yung puntos. Here's Agton once again. Ivy Perez, quick set. Dadang will miss.
And a point for Davao Aguilas.
Yung celebration ng Davao kasing energetic ng laro nila, no?
Well, yun nga yung sa team, nung naglalaro pa ako. Kailangan talagang masigla sa loob kasi ang bigat kapag walang energy.
Pati celebration kailangan ganun din kasigla.
Siyempre.
Oliveros with a good serve this time, and here's Ordaz. Dignadice ngayon to Raterta. Once again going to Agton in the open. That's off the head of Ordaz. Kinawit naman ni Myla Pablo. Back set ngayon kay Antipuesto. Goes long. So yung mga errors lang ng Davao ngayon is keeping NU in this first set. Otherwise, behind na talaga itong Lady Bulldogs.
Makikita niyo sa galaw ng Davao, parang medyo malamig pa sila. Wala pang contact sa mga hits. Medyo magulo pa sa receive.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. From the back, it's Topic going long. And yun, for all of the greatness ng opensa nitong kupunan ng Davao Lady Aguilas, they do not have a back row option.
Well, yun nga, you mentioned na puro errors yung nagbibigay ng points sa NU. Tingnan mo, 6-all na tayo ngayon. Imagine kung walang errors tong Davao team.
It could easily be 10-2 right now. Walang errors. Another hitting error against Agton, and this now gives the lead to NU. Aiko Ordaz, we call her the supernatural. Kanya, baka makabansag ka pa ng moniker dyan sa mga players. Tignan natin as you go along here. As Raterta now sends it to Antipuesto.
Safe spike.
And Ordaz will do the setting for Myla Pablo. It's great to see Myla Pablo back. She missed 2 games because of a shoulder injury. Pero ngayon, lamang po ng 2 puntos ang Lady Bulldogs. 8-6 sa ating first technical timeout.